Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off closed captioning on Zoom. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to Zoom. After that, click on the settings. After that, click on the meeting. Scroll down, and here you can see the closed captioning option. And it says that when closed captioning is available, Zoom will display it on the main video. So if you don't know what is closed captioning, it means that it will be a live transcribe of the speech when someone is talking, which is really helpful if your audio does not work, or you are somewhere where you cannot listen but you can read. Then for example, if you're in a bus and you do not have headphones, then you can look at the screen and read the speech. So yeah, this is very helpful. I hope that this video was helpful for you as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye.